Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we will see the explanation of the story Chuk Chuk. Before going to the story, let us see the meaning of new words. Accident means misfortunate or by chance. Wave means gesture. Scare means afraid. Repair means mend or make good from damage. Bright means shining strongly. Chirpy means cheerful and talkative. Kick means boot. Let's go to read the lesson. Chuk Chuk was a beautiful red toy train in a shop. Children used to look at him and say, "What a beautiful toy train!" Chuk Chuk was very happy. One day, a father bought Chuk Chuk for his son, Rahul. Rahul was very happy and hugged his father. He kept Chuk Chuk with his other toys. There was a beautiful toy train in a toy shop named as Chuk Chuk. Children used to look at him and say, "What a beautiful toy train!" Chuk Chuk was very happy for its beauty. One day, Rahul's father bought it for Rahul. Children, how you feel when your father or your parents bring a toy for you? You become happy. Like Rahul was also very happy. And he thanked his father by hugging. He kept Chuk Chuk with his other toys in his room. Children, I know you all keep your toys on their proper places. Like Rahul also kept the toy in his room with other toys. Children, which other toys do you think Rahul had? Rahul had few more toys. Jumbo, a toy elephant. Ted, a toy bear. Mittu, a toy parrot. Rahul's toy elephant was Jumbo. Jumbo said, "Welcome Chuk Chuk," but Chuk Chuk did not reply. Next was Ted, the bear. He said, "Hello Chuk Chuk," but Chuk Chuk did not reply. When the toys talked and played in the night, Chuk Chuk sat alone in a corner. He did not try to make friends with other toys. When Rahul kept Chuk Chuk with his other toys, Rahul's toys tried to talk and make friendship with Chuk Chuk. Children, when a new child or friend come in your class, you become very happy and you are very excited to talk with him or her and make friendship. Like the other toys were also glad. They were also excited for talking with Chuk Chuk and make friendship. Jumbo said, "Welcome Chuk Chuk," but Chuk Chuk did not reply. Next was the Ted. He said, "Hello Chuk Chuk," but Chuk Chuk did not reply. When the toys talked and played in the night, Chuk Chuk did not try to make friendship with anyone. He just sat alone in a corner. Why do you think Chuk Chuk sat alone? Maybe he felt I am a new in this house, or maybe he was shy. One evening, Rahul's friends came over to play with Chuk Chuk. They took him to the garden and played with him. Rahul accidentally kicked Chuk Chuk. Bing bang bong. Chuk Chuk went flying into a bush. He got hurt badly. Rahul waved goodbye to his friends and he went inside his home. He forgot about Chuk Chuk. Children, like in the evening, you gather in the park which is nearby your house or in the garden. Like Rahul's friends also came to play with Rahul and they took Chuk Chuk. As it was a new toy train. They took him to the garden and played with him. When Rahul and his friends were playing, Rahul accidentally, by chance, not intentionally, kicked Chuk Chuk. Suddenly, the sound came bing bang bong. Chuk Chuk went flying into a bush. He got hurt badly. Rahul said to his friends with the gestures goodbye and he went inside his home. He completely forgot that Chuk Chuk fallen into a bush. Soon it was dark. Chuk Chuk was alone and scared, afraid, because he was alone into a bush. Soon it was dark and Chuk Chuk was alone and scared. Ted said to all the toys, Chuk Chuk has not come back yet. We must find him. Mithu said, why should we find Chuk Chuk? He is not our friend. Ted said, Mithu, you are right, but he might need help. We must find him. All the toys went to find Chuk Chuk. They called out, Chuk Chuk, where are you? They heard a cry coming from the bush. They ran towards the bush and found Chuk Chuk. They pulled him out and brought him back to the Rahul's room. All the toys said lovingly, don't worry, Chuk Chuk. We will take care of you. They cleaned and repaired him. Chuk Chuk looked bright and chirpy. Chuk Chuk said, I am sorry. I did not talk all of you. Will you be my friends? Everyone shouted, yes, Chuk Chuk. We will be your friends. So, all the toys became good friends and played together. Children, look at the picture. How the Chuk Chuk was alone into a bush. He was scared. He was afraid. When Chuk Chuk was alone and scared in the garden, here Ted, Miss Toy Bear, was worried about Chuk Chuk. He said, Chuk Chuk, not come till now. We must find him. But Mithu, the parrot, said, Mithu, the parrot said, why should we find Chuk Chuk as he is not our friend? Because Mithu was very upset with Chuk Chuk because Chuk Chuk did not try to make friendship with anyone. But Ted Bear made him to understand. He said, Mithu, you are right, but he might need help. We must find him. Children, when your friend is in trouble, like you help him or her. Like Ted Bear also made understand to Mithu, in a time of difficulty, we should help Chuk Chuk. Suddenly, all the toys, Miss Jumbo, Toy Elephant, Ted, Toy Bear and Mithu, Toy Parrot, went to find Chuk Chuk in the garden. They called out, Chuk Chuk, where are you? Suddenly, they heard a cry coming from the bush. They ran towards the bush and found Chuk Chuk. You can observe the picture carefully. They pulled him out and brought him back to the Rahul's room. When your friend is in trouble, you help them, like all the toys helped to Chuk Chuk. As Chuk Chuk was scared, all the toys said to Chuk Chuk, don't worry Chuk Chuk, we will take care of you. They cleaned and repaired, means made good from the damage. Very lovingly. Now Chuk Chuk looked bright and shine. Bright means it was looking shiny and chirpy, means cheerful and talkative. Chuk Chuk felt sorry because yesterday night all the toys tried to talk with him, but he did not talk with anyone and not made friendship. He said, I am sorry, I did not talk to all of you. Will you be my friends? Everyone was glad and shouted, yes, Chuk Chuk, we will be your friends. So, all the toys became good friends and played together every day. So, here we have finished the lesson. But students, like all the toys, helped out Chuk Chuk and they became very good friends. Like when your friend is in trouble, you should also help him or her. You should not think that he had a talk with you or not, or he helped you before or not. You should love him or her and show care for them. Children, you have to do one activity. List out 5 things where you can help to your friends. Like when your friend is in sick, he or she might have missed the homework or classwork. You should guide him or her. While playing, suppose while playing your friend fallen down, you should show the love and care about him or her and help to your friend. Now children, in the beginning we saw that Chuk Chuk did not speak to Rahul's other toys. What do you think? What can be the reason? What could be the reason? Discuss with your parents. Here we will stop. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.